How to create a new shortcut on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can create a new shortcut on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to create a new shortcut on Snapchat, go ahead and first of all make sure to launch a Snapchat application. And let's say that you take a certain snap over here and then you want to send it to all of the people at once. Selecting them one after another is a really long process, so you might want to create shortcuts just like I have added at the very top of the screen. So if I want to add a new shortcut, I need to tap the plus icon located at the right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on it, here you'll be able to see all of your existing shortcuts which you can choose to edit if you'd like. But if you don't have it, you'll also find the option called new shortcut. So make sure to tap the new shortcut option. And then just make sure to select and add the people that you want to add this to your shortcut, which in this case could be everybody. And you have to simply choose an emoji for this shortcut, because if you don't choose an emoji for this shortcut, it cannot be created. Then just tap the create shortcut option. Now next time what happens is that whenever you want to send your snap to all of these people, you just select that particular shortcut. As you do that, just tap the select all option. All of the people in the shortcut will get created, and then you can tap the arrow icon on the right hand side to send this to everybody. This way you will be able to create a shortcut on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.